Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Ko-Fi to your US bank in America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Ko-Fi to your US bank account, start by logging into your Ko-Fi account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Payouts. Next, review your current balance to ensure you have sufficient funds available for withdrawal. If your balance is sufficient, click on the Withdraw button. You'll see options for withdrawal methods. Select the option for bank transfer or direct deposit to your US bank account. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to enter your bank account details. Provide your bank account number and routing number accurately. Make sure to double-check the information for any errors. After entering your bank details, confirm that you want to save this information for future withdrawals. Once your details are saved, return to the Withdrawals page. Here, confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Once you've entered the desired amount, click on Request Withdrawal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Check your bank account after a few days to ensure that the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, refer to Ko-Fi's Help Center for additional support. Always keep your account information secure throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.